Good morning, children. Now we will do the book work of chapter 2, the sentence. Okay. So what is a sentence? A sentence is an arrangement of a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay. So let us do the book work. But before starting the book work, let's remember this. We should keep in mind that a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay? And second one is that a sentence always has a verb. Take the groups of words that make complete sense. Okay, we will keep these in mind and then we will read the words and we will see whether they are giving a proper or complete meaning or not. Understood? So first one is that sweet orange. Sweet orange, we are not getting any complete meaning. And see, this sentence is not started with capital letter and here no full stop is there. So this is not a sentence. Loves cricket playing Rahul. So again here the sentence starts with capital letter and here this is small, no full stop, and these words are not arranged in a proper way. So we are not getting any complete meaning. The door is closed. Yes, this is a sentence. You can see the first letter is capital and this sentence ends with full stop and we are getting a complete meaning. So we'll tick here. Missed lunch. No, we are not getting any meaning, and see the first letter is small and here also no full stop. Fifth, Shireen ate an apple. This is a complete sentence. We are getting a complete meaning. The first letter is capital and ends with full stop. So we'll tick here. The postman delivers letters. So here we are getting meaning, complete meaning, and this sentence starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. So this is a sentence. Now seventh, uncle, my teacher is a. Here the words are not arranged in a proper manner. So this is not a sentence. Dinner at. We are not getting complete meaning here. So this is also not a sentence. Under the tree. Here also there is no verb. Under the tree. This is also not a sentence. Yellow umbrella. We are not getting any complete sense. So this is also not a sentence. In the park. Here also incomplete sense we are getting. So this is not a sentence. I have a pet dog. See, this is a sentence. I starts with capital letter and this sentence ends with full stop and we are getting a complete meaning. So this is a sentence. Arrange these words to make sentence. Here we have to arrange these words and make a complete sentence. Remember to use a full stop or a question mark. It means we should remember the rules of writing a sentence. Okay? So how do we do this? See here. Cricket, racks, evening and every gale play. These are the words. So we will arrange it like this. Racks and gale play cricket every evening. Understood? The second one is school, a library, my big has. So here we are not getting any meaning. So we will arrange it like this. My school has a big library. My school has a big library. See, starting word will be capital and this sentence ends with full stop. Third one is Jack hill up the Jill and went. So these are very familiar words. How do we arrange it? Jack and Jill went up the hill. Understood? So the Jack and Jill are the names. So we will write it with capital letter and here we'll put full stop. Fourth, lakes Nainital 9 has. Nainital has 9 lakes. Okay, so we will write like this. Nainital has 9 lakes and first letter will be capital and the sentence ends with full stop. Animal faithful the is dog a. The dog is a faithful animal. Okay, the dog is a faithful animal. Next, must healthy we to stay eat strong. So how do we arrange it? We must eat healthy to stay strong. Your this pen is. So here it will be like this. Is this your pen? Is this your pen? And this sentence is a question one. So we will put a question mark here. Guitar the I after practice dinner. I practice the guitar after dinner. Once again, you also read, I practice the guitar after dinner. Okay, ninth one. To I Dehradun in went vacations my. I went to Dehradun in my vacations. Okay, I went to Dehradun in my vacations. The last one is my travels lot father a. My father travels a lot. My father travels a lot. Here also you can see the sentence starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. Okay. Now turn page number 10. B. Match the columns to make sentences. Here two columns are there, column A and column B. In that words are written. We have to match the column A with column B to make sentences. Okay children? So you will not drag line over here. You will write numbers. Okay? Like first one is science is my favorite subject. Okay? I like to play with my little sister. Okay? My father works in a college. So this you try to do by yourself and then I will send you the pic. And in next class we will learn about types of sentences. Okay?